Monarch SIP unboxing and basic functionality test. Step 1. Insert the SIM card. Next step is to attach the antenna. Then insert the USB cable. Insert the far end of the USB cable into your Windows PC. Windows should automatically install the COM port drivers. Open Device Manager and check the COM ports are installed correctly. Using a terminal application such as TerraTerm, open two windows and configure as depicted in the video. Before trying to attach, register the SIM on the TruePhone website. You can now use AT commands to configure the Monarch SIP device and attach to the network. AT plus CFUN equals 1 will initiate the attach. The CREG1 or CREG5 notification indicates a successful attach. Once attached, you can ping the network. Other AT commands can be used to retrieve the link quality information or the IP address. AT plus CFUN equals 0 will detach from the network.